Welcome to the complete workshop, Create a Funnel and Social Campaign. So I've got a workshop running on the 12th, that's tomorrow, the 12th of October 2023 at 5 p.m. All you need to do is visit the link. It's actually zenler.co/Zen Funnels, and then you're going to get this registration page. Now you just need to sign up for it. It's not too late. It's happening tomorrow. It's happening at 5 p.m. BST time. Okay, and we're going to start this, and what's going to happen is you're going to fill this form out, okay, and you're simply going to get this thank you, check your inbox, where you're going to receive an email telling you about the full schedule of all the lives. Now this workshop is a little bit different because it is a funnel. You're going to be in a funnel. In fact, you're going to be in the funnel that you're creating in this workshop. And what's going to happen is each day you will go through a series of videos. So the first one is going to be the welcome session, which is happening in 1 day, 4 hours, 52 minutes from the time of this video. And you're going to click the direct Zoom link, and that's going to open you up straight into a countdown timer. Now when this hits 0, you're going to jump into the live, and we're going to start the welcome session. At the end of the welcome session, I'm going to give you a link that you'll also get as an email as well, just in case some of you couldn't attend, okay? But it's vitally important that you attend these live sessions because you can maximize your learning. Okay, so when you get that email, it will give you a link and it will go to the first stage, so stage 1. Now we give you times with this. This runs from the 12th, tomorrow, it runs right up to the 28th, okay, of October. So a lot of time, we're not doing each day, we're just doing live sessions once you've completed each of the video series. So you can ask questions. So when you're working through these videos, and you'll see these videos down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, in this particular section, you've got 4 videos to complete. Once they're completed, you'll then have the opportunity to come into the live, which in this case is happening on the 15th. So we've got another live running on the 15th for the stage 1 work, where you can ask questions about this stage 1. Okay, and that's how it will repeat. Stage 2, you'll then at the end of that, you'll have a session you can come into, ask questions about that video series, and so on until we get to stage 4. And at stage 4, you'll have your final questions, and hopefully you'll have a whole funnel created. Guys, you can do this. If you work along with this, you can create the funnels. If you haven't got time to create the video content, don't worry, just use a placeholder. Create that content after the workshop and just drop it in there. And then you can carry on and you can actually then market it. Because yes, we're showing you how to market it as well. Now we're not going into a lot of details, but we're going to show you how we can use the content created in the funnel itself to reuse that content for social media marketing. So we cover the whole gamut, right from 0 right to 100%. And above all, we also have a bonus section as well. So at the end of this workshop series, we're going to have a bonus where we're going to look at some of the funnels you created, hopefully, and we're going to give away some competition prizes as well for maybe the best funnel, maybe people that completed it, maybe for people that attended all of the live sessions, okay? And that will be really cool. So you'll have something out of this. It's absolutely free as usual from us at Zenler, but you want to get in here and you want to take this because it's really going to help you if you need to get to that next step. So this is how it will run. So I'll click this for instance, and you'll see it's going to open up a page, and you've got the video there. You haven't lost the original page, it's still there, and you can run through this first series. So you can go here, it says welcome to the training, and it tells you a little bit about it. This is video number 2. As you'll see, it will tie up with video number 2 here, okay? And then you'll do this section, you'll go to the next video, and when you get to the end, which is this last one here, you're going to get completed back to the base camp to check what live is coming up for that section. And you'll see all the lives come up down here. Now, as I said, you will get an email reminder 1 hour and 5 minutes before each of the live sessions, so you won't miss out, okay? And you can find out that actually on the day, you're going to see the full schedule there. So you can see that full schedule of when the lives are taking place. If you want to put that into your calendar, make sure you don't miss them. Watch out for those emails. Make sure they're not going into your spam folder or junk mail. They shouldn't, but check, okay, just to make sure. And whitelist us. We are Zenler, we are here, we are official, we are doing it for you. So guys, I'm super excited, and I haven't run a workshop for probably about a year now. I've been working on lots of other things to help you guys out, but it's now time to get back into this and to really ramp it up another level with funnels, which can create leads and of course sales and conversions from those leads. Guys, I'll see you on the workshop. It's happening tomorrow 12th at 5 p.m. BST time. Make sure you go to the link in the description and get in there quick. We've got a lot. It's quite popular, this one. Funnels is always popular. Get in there and sign up today. See you later, guys.